Hey, beautiful people. So I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 credit cards that won't actually deny you. So I want to help you guys get approved for more credit cards. But keep this in mind too. Every credit card is different whenever you apply for any credit card out there. A lot of clients, I'm going to talk about something special that you guys can do if you stay to the end on how you can get approved without even them pulling credit at all too. So some of these credit cards are going to pull your credit, but some of them not going to pull your credit. But I'm going to talk about 5 credit cards at the end, 5 bonus credit cards that you guys can get approved for without them actually pulling your credit, and you'll get approved, you guys. So let's get right on into the video. I hate when people just wait. They try to make money from YouTube. They wait and they on and on about nothing. So let's go ahead and pull up these credit cards. So the first credit card that I want to talk to you guys about is OpenSky. So OpenSky is a secured credit card, and you guys most likely would get approved for this credit card because they don't actually pull your credit. Now the thing is, when you apply for this credit card, so you just go to you'll go to the website, which is OpenSkyCC.com. All you have to do is go ahead and click apply for the card. Now, when you guys apply for this card, I already made a video on how to actually apply for this card. A lot of people, if you're on my YouTube page, you definitely know, like, I already made a video about this. But all you have to do is just put in your personal information. You'll put your first name in, your last name in, your email address. You put your address in, and then put your financial information in right here. Now, the thing is, too, this is a secure credit card, so that means that you have to put a deposit down on this card. But look, they allow a minimum of $200 deposit, so $200 up to $3,000 you can put down. Now, the thing is, I actually have an OpenSky credit card, which is $1,000. So I already got this credit card. I put the $1,000 down, and the only reason I put $1,000 down because I did not want to. You know, usually when you get credit cards and you want to make that leap to get more credit cards, they're going to look at how much you already approved for, and they're going to go from there to approve you for more credit cards. So with this credit card, I got $1,000. Everything is going good. The only thing is, it took a little while for the card to come in the mail, which I guess is fine. You know, I don't know. Maybe they got a lot of applicants or whatever the case may be. But it took a little while for it to come in the mail. They needed me to send in some verification too. But, you know, I have a lot of stuff on my credit, like flag, like don't touch this, don't look at it. I got all that flagged on my credit. So it took a little while for it to come in. It probably don't take a long time. Because some people, like a lot of my clients, like, oh, well, my card came right into the mail. Mine was just, it took a little longer for me. Another thing, too, is when you, say if you were to use this credit card, when you pay off the credit card, they have a longer hold on your credit card. Longer hold on your money. So say if you were to max out your credit card and you try to put $1,000 back on your credit, if you want to pay that off and you want that money to be available, usually when you pay off any credit card, it's available that same day or the next day. With them, it's like available in 5 days, 6 days a lot of times. So that's something you guys can think about. But I'm going to tell you guys about another credit card where you wouldn't even have that problem. So you won't even have to worry about that. It's going to be available right away. Like as soon as you say take the money out of my account, even if they don't take the money out of your account, it's still going to be available right then and there. So go ahead, apply for the OpenSky credit card, you guys. And then put in the description, too. If you apply for any of these credit cards, let me know if you're approved for anything. Definitely let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the like button, too, if you guys find this video useful. So let's go to the next credit card. So this is actually multiple. These are actually multiple credit cards. So Capital One is like an easy company that almost anybody can get approved for, right? But they have multiple credit cards that I love people to apply for. Okay, so let's see. Let's go down a little bit. So we have the Platinum credit card. We have the Quicksilver. These two are very, very easy to get approved for. They say you want you to have fair credit, but I'm telling you, it's going to be easy for you to get approved for it. Now, the thing is, too, if you apply for a lot of these credit cards, make sure you guys look down in the description and get my inquiry removal. Get my ebook on how to remove inquiries, because I was able to get my inquiries removed in 4 hours. Now, the thing is, you're going to be racking up inquiries knowing if you're applying for a lot of different credit card companies, and getting all those inquiries is going to drop your credit score. And we don't want your credit score to go down. We only want it to go up. So before these cards, as soon as you apply for it right away, like let it marinate probably the next day, go ahead and work on getting those inquiries removed before you get the credit card. Before that credit card pops up on your credit, you need to work on getting it removed. If it pops up on your credit, you might as well say, forget it. That inquiry is going to stay there. Or they're going to try to remove the account too, and you don't want that to happen. So keep that in mind too, because people are like, I don't want to get all these inquiries, Rickita. We get inquiries removed around here. We don't care about inquiries. So go ahead and look down the description and look into my inquiry removal. A lot of clients, they took them 3 hours, took them 5 hours, 6 hours. Just go ahead and get it going, you guys. Now, again, the platinum is an easy one, and quicksilver, those are the easy ones I always tell my clients. When people come straight in, I tell them to get those 2 cards. Now, if you're a student, you can go ahead and get the Journey Students Reward credit card too. So that is really good, and you get the 1% cash back. My little eye is itching, but you'll be able to get the 1% cash back, you guys. And then Spark, this another easy one, but remember this too. They'll allow you to have 4 credit cards with Capital One. So you're able to have 2 personal and 2 business. And I know the Spark 2 was the business credit card. So you were able to have 2 Spark. I had 2 Spark credit cards with the Capital One with business. Only thing I didn't like about that is when I have business transactions, I don't want that on my personal credit report. I don't want it on my personal credit report. Because anything that you do with your business, if you used to max out that credit card, it's going to hurt your personal credit score. But in the business world, they don't care about you maxing out credit cards. They know you're going to max them out. But in the personal world, when them business credit cards show up on your personal credit reports, it's going to hurt you. So I wouldn't suggest people go ahead and get the Spark business unless they're not going to really use it, right? If you want to just keep it for like emergencies, you want to just keep it there, then fine. But other than that, then if you know you're going to max it out, you're going to damage your personal credit score. But that's still another easy one everybody get approved for. And don't forget too, they even have the secure credit card. Let's go to the secure credit card that Capital One has. So Capital One has a secure credit card that you guys can get too. Now with this secure one, remember for the OpenSky, they said a minimum that you can put down is the $200. With them, you can put down $49 and $99 or $200. Now, no matter if you put down $49 or $99 or even $200, no matter what, your initial credit limit will be the $200. So you're going to get that $200 credit limit right away. So remember, after you start paying on this on time too, just make sure you make 5 of your payments on time. Just make sure you make them on time. You keep your balance. So I always tell my clients, don't spend more than 5% of your credit cards. Make sure you keep the balance low, and then they're going to automatically put you into a regular credit card. And a lot of times you're going to start with this, but they're going to put you right into a $500 credit card, which is why I really like Capital One for that reason. So go ahead and look into, if you can't get, like if you apply for the Quicksilver and the Platinum, they say no, apply for the secure credit card. Now, this is the bonus credit card I was kind of telling you about in terms of, well, it's not the bonus. I want you guys to know about like the 5 bonus credit cards. You stay to the end, you can see it. But this credit card is called the Credit Builder card. So this credit card is really good because when you apply for the other credit cards, they're not going to show up on your credit reports until after your first bill, most likely. Until your first bill come out, it's not going to show up in your credit reports. And that could be a whole month and a half. Now, the thing is, when you get this credit card with the Credit Builder card, most likely this credit card is going to show up in your credit reports within 2 weeks. Now, when a credit card shows up in your credit reports and you don't have any credit, your credit score can just shoot up. I just seen a client, his credit score went up 87 points from having this secure credit card. When it popped up on his credit, because he didn't have anything, he needed credit cards. I'm like, we need to get you some credit cards, but his credit was so damaged that we couldn't get him regular credit cards. But as soon as he got this credit card, it went up 87 points. So I always tell people to get the Credit Builder card. But the thing is about this one too, when you get an OpenSky, they only allow you to have 1. When you get the Capital One, you can have 2 with your personal, but they got to be 2 different credit cards. With the Credit Builder card, you can get 2 of the same ones, and it's only a $200 deposit on it, which is really, really good, you guys. And I'm so sorry if my little ones are being loud. I need to go up there. Going and smashing you guys. But the Credit Builder card, it allows you to have 2 different credit cards, which is really good. And they're going to report to your credit bureau before you even get the credit card. So, like, that is really awesome, you guys. Now, another easy credit card. Look, they're trying to tell me, don't go. They always do that, you guys. But another easy credit card you guys can get approved for is Victoria's Secrets, right? Victoria's Secrets is an easy credit card you guys can get approved for. And when I say you guys can get approved for this credit card, I mean like they're throwing this credit card around like nobody's business. You can get approved for it. But this is the bonus, you guys. This is the bonus I really want you guys to understand. You guys can get approved for the Victoria's Secrets credit card through my bonus that I was telling you guys about, which is the shopping cart trick. So if you guys already have my master credit card list, it's over 100 credit cards. Go ahead, look down the description and get the master credit card list. It's over 100 credit cards. They have easy credit cards to get, even the credit cards I always tell my clients, like my credit score was on like 620 and I was getting approved for $1,000 credit cards, $13,000 credit cards. Those are in the description too in my master credit card list. Now you can get approved for the Victoria's Secrets using my shopping cart trick, and I'll make sure I link that down below. But using my shopping cart trick, you can get approved for Victoria's Secrets. You can get approved for Express. You can get approved for Overstock.com. You can get approved for a Camping World Visa, which is a Visa credit card, basically. You can get approved for that. And the Victoria's Secret, you guys, these are easy credit cards where you're not actually going to really pull your credit at all. They don't care what your credit score is. They're going to approve you for these credit cards. It's a trick. It's like you have to go in, you have to act like you're going to buy some items, and then you got to go ahead, put your information in, and then we're like, oh, wait. We got a credit card offer for you. If you take this offer right now, we're going to give you bonuses. And the thing is, they make a lot of money when people have credit cards, because you know what it's like. When you got a credit card, you just want to spend that extra money. You're like, oh, wait, I just use my credit card. You know, you pop that good baby out, you swipe it. And that's the reason why they want to go ahead and give you the credit card. But Victoria's Secrets is easy approval for that. You have easy approval for the Visa credit card, Overstock, Express. These are easy credit card. Even like the Venus credit card. Like I have multiple videos where I'm showing people how to actually do this. If you guys haven't seen it already, definitely go ahead and check it out. It's called the shopping cart trick, and I'll make sure I have them all linked below. But you guys, these are easy credit cards you guys can get approved for. And don't forget, you guys, everybody is different. Every situation is different. Some people, they're able to do the shopping cart trick. Some people's not able to do the shopping cart trick. But if you have my credit card list of over 100 credit cards, you're going to see it's credit cards in there for you. And I want you to remember this too. If you can't get approved for any credit card, that means we got to work on getting some of them negative items removed from your credit reports. So let's work on getting them collections removed, them old credit cards you had that you messed up on. Let's get that removed, because a lot of times the companies are not going to want to give you more credit cards if you messed up with them before. So let's go ahead, work on getting those accounts removed from your credit reports. If you got student loans that's reporting late right now, or they messing up your credit, let's get those removed. Repossessions, bankruptcies, foreclosures. Let's work on getting all that stuff removed, you guys. And remember, too, don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend, you guys. So we already just did the $1,000. We already did the 1,000 subscriber. We already did the giveaway for that, you guys. If you guys missed it, I can't tell you where it's at. It's in the secret place. You got to go ahead and watch all my videos and see where that giveaway is at, because we actually have probably 2 more hours for that left. But definitely go ahead and subscribe. And if you're one of my subscribers, make sure you click the notification bell so that when any of my videos come up, you'll be able to hear. So I'm going to do another giveaway when I get to 5,000. And I feel I'll be at 5,000 by next month. So that's my goal, to be at 5,000 quickly. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me. I'm definitely here for you guys. And have a great day. Bye-bye.